All right, good morning, YouTube. This morning we're going to be making Kodiak cakes using this Kodiak Cake powder cake, flapjack, and waffle mix. I'm excited because we get to use a couple of different waffle makers. We got the standard waffle maker here, just an up and down, typical, they never go bad kind of thing, a little dirty, but we got this one from our my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. So you put it down and you flip it. It's one of those hotel style deals. So looks like it gets really hot. It's smoking. So bring you along. I'm just gonna show you. So you take your mix. I'm gonna do 2 cups of this guy. Package is a little rough. So basically get your cupper, 1 cup, put it in there. Oh yeah, boom, right there. We're gonna do 2 cups. Get it nice and level. People stamp down and all that kind of weird stuff. I don't know. There you go. And then I bet that makes 4 cups. So, and then you get your water, do 3/4. I'm an easy guy, so I just do the per and directions. So boom, just like that. Teaspoon, right? 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon right there. And that's my phone going off. This is the real world. This isn't staged. So I do 2 things of oil. So 1, boom, 2, boom, just like that. And so, and that's it. It's pretty simple. You come up with this mixture right here. I like to use a wooden spoon. Reminds me of back in the day. And you just mix it up really good. Try not to splish splash while you're mixing it. Just like this. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah. And I don't know if people put stuff in, their pancakes like chocolate chips and stuff like that. I'm not really sure how to do that. I'm not a super expert, but you can. If you prepared diligently. I think we're just going to make, but I like to push the batter up against the bowl. That's why I use a glass bowl, because it really helps get the chunks out of there. Oh yeah. Camera, so you guys can get a different view as usual. I like to spray them down. And that's it. Use non-stick canola oil. And then this is my first time using one of these guys outside of a hotel. So you got dark and light, so kind of put them in the middle there. This one just has its own little temperature thing. So, and you don't put a lot of batter in. You just take your batter, lift this guy up here, make sure it's stable. It's gonna be. And then you just take, lift, and start in the middle. Oh yeah. And then just one more, I think. And then scrape it. You kind of move it around so you fill in the spots. You can kind of tell if you're gonna have enough or not. What do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good. Okay. And then you shut the lid. And then you flip it over now. You flip it over, and then you have your little green dotty thing. I'll tell you when it's done. And this one you have to put a little bit less on. I do 2. And then just kind of leave it like that, and then smush it. And then it also has the when ready little gum. So,
yes, that one's definitely
see how
the
this
old
says
one.
ready? This one, yeah. So this is a Walmart special, I believe. This one's a CD and Rachel. This will always be a CD and Rachel special. So,
Yeah.
I've never had a hotel type waffle maker, but these are freaking awesome. So, and
It's a Belgian waffle maker.
it's a Belgian waffle maker. There's all these technical terms I don't care about. But this is the first time I'm making waffles in this house. That I made waffles in this house. Now Laura, she's made pancakes, waffles, amazing adventures. This, we're just trying to do things at home instead of trying to go buy things out. So,
Yeah.
this is fun. But like I said, you can put all kinds of crap in your batter if you want. Raisins, like some people do. Oh, look at that. We got it ready. We got it ready. What do we do? Okay, camera lady. Okay.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. Okay. And then what I do, just flip it back over.
Yeah.
And up. What in the heck? Check that out. And if you were prepared.
Beautiful.
You always have a plate and a fork prepared, but look at that. Oh man. That's awesome. Oh yeah. All day.
Beautiful.
And then you just repeat. So I'm thinking we'll put a little more batter in it. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Maybe just one more. There we go. And I'm gonna let the iron distribute. You put that here, flip it around, it's that easy. Is it gonna reset?
It should.
Yeah.
Did you, let's see, flip it back. There you go.
There you go. So look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There's a waffle. Oh man, and it's thick too.
Oh yeah.
These are really good.
Yeah, they're really big ones. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, look at that. So you got your two different type of waffles. Oh, didn't burn or nothing. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And you take it over, extend your fingers. Look at the two different types.
Two different types.
But these are pretty easy.
Regular waffle.
I really like this one better.
Yeah.
So, all right, here's the final results. We got some waffles, people. I know everybody's like, what? So there you go. Happy morning.